Register a Binance account to earn a $100 bonus and synchronously get a 10% discount. What's up, everybody? In this video, I am going to show you on how to register a Binance account to earn a $100 bonus and synchronously get a 10% discount on the transaction fee. All things you need to do is to simply follow 5 easy steps as below. Step 1. Click on the link attached in the description of this video. I need to emphasize that you will earn a $100 bonus and get a 10% discount on the transaction fee only when you click on the link provided in the description. Step 2. Click on Register. Then you can see the line Your Commission Kickback Rate, 10% right here. On the registration page, enter your email address and create a password for your account. Your password must be a combination of numbers and letters. It should contain at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number. Then, read and agree to the terms of service and click Create Account. Step 3. Email verification. The system will send a verification code to your email. Please enter the verification code within 30 minutes. If you can't find the email in your inbox, please check your other mail folders as well, or click Resend Email to resend. Step 4. KYC, Know Your Customer Verification. You click on Binance icon in the upper left-hand corner on your screen to return to the main page. Then, click the person icon on the top right corner to choose Identification. In personal verification, you click on Start Now and enter your national ID. Your full name, and your date of birth. Then click Continue. Next, you need to enter your residential address. Postal code that is optional and city. Then you click Continue. What you need to do next is to choose and upload one of the 3 documents here, including government-issued ID card or passport or driver's license. Then, click on Continue and head to Facial Recognition. Now, you have done step 4, and let's move on to the last step that is about security verification. Step 5. Security verification. To enhance your account security, click Go to Security. To enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, including phone verification and Google verification. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your Binance account with KYC and security verification. Well, I hope that you have really enjoyed my video. Please like, share and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep updated on further useful information. It is reminded that the Telegram link for earning a $100 bonus and a 10% discount on the transaction fee is attached in this video's description. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.